Phalo, Chinese-inspired egg stew dish with pork, chicken, or duck. The stew gives the eggs a brownish color and unique fragrance. Eaten with rice. In this video, we will be making phalo, an egg stew dish. We will need pork, preferably pork side or belly, otherwise the meat might be too dry for the dish. 500 gram, 1.10 pounds. You can also use chicken. 4 units of eggs. Tofu. Use medium or firm tofu. They are most suitable for the dish. Buy it from an Asian grocery store. 225 gram, 0.5 pounds. Black soy sauce, half a tablespoon. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons, both from an Asian grocery store. Bouillon powder, 0.5 tablespoon. Phalo powder from an Asian grocery store, 1 tablespoon. Garlic, 2 cloves. Palm sugar. You can also use regular sugar. 1 unit or 60 gram if you use regular sugar from an Asian grocery store. Water, 600 milliliter. Start by boiling the eggs. Heat up water in a pot and put the eggs into the pot. Once the water is boiled, wait for about 6 minutes to have the eggs fully boiled. Start peeling off the eggshell once the eggs are boiled. Use cold water to rinse while you are peeling. So the shells don't stick to the eggs. There. Tofu. We will need about 225 gram, 0.5 pounds. Slice it into small pieces, not too thick, not too thin. Cut the pieces into 4 even smaller pieces. Basically, cut it into bite-sized pieces. Now we prepare the pork. Ideally is to use meat with fat, like pork belly. (0.5 kilogram or 1.10 pounds). Keep the skin. Cut into smaller pieces. Just not too small pieces. The skin will help with the taste. Now we will fry the tofu. Heat up the pan. In this video we will use coconut oil for cooking, but any cooking oil will do. Put in the tofu pieces. Start turning them around once they get a brownish color. Turn every piece around. Fry each side for about 3 minutes. To get them to a brownish color. There. Take them out to a plate once they are done. Pour water into a pot and start heating it up. Put in bouillon powder, garlic, Phalo powder, soy sauce, black soy sauce, to give the dish some color. Sugar, eggs, pork, tofu, went until boiled. Once boiled, remove the foam layer on top, but it's not necessary. Turn down the heat. Let it simmer for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the meat and the tofu should be properly cooked. The eggs should be brownish in color. This is because of the eggs have absorbed the Phalo soup. Taste the dish and add more salt or sugar if needed. There, Phalo stew, eaten with rice. Easy to make.